Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Japanese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everyone, it's Risa. In this lesson, you're going to learn greetings used among young people. Let's get started. Os. What's up? Os. Os, literally meaning good morning, but when it's used as a slang expression, it means what's up or hey. Use this slang expression when you say hi to your close friends anytime. It is originally an abbreviation for おはようございます meaning good morning. Cheese. Hey man. Cheese. Cheese literally meaning hello, but when it's used as a slang expression, it means hey man or yo. Use this slang expression when you say hi to your close friends anytime. It is originally an abbreviation for こんにちは meaning hello. Now, let's hear an example sentence. Cheese, 元気? Cheese, 元気? Hey man, how's it going? お疲れ. Thank you for your hard work. お疲れ. お疲れ literally meaning good work, but when it's used as a slang expression, it means see you or how are you doing? Use this slang expression when you leave work or meet your friend at work, or you're going through a tough situation. It is an abbreviation for お疲れ様です meaning how are you, and thank you for your hard work, etc. There's also お疲れ様でした meaning goodbye or good job for today. There's also a related slang, おつ which has the same meaning as お疲れ. This is a more informal expression. Now, let's hear an example sentence. お疲れ、また明日。お疲れ、また明日。See you tomorrow. あざす。Thanks. あざす。あざす literally meaning thanks. But when it's used as a slang expression, it means thanks or cheers. Use this slang expression when you want to thank someone lightly. It is an abbreviation for ありがとうございます meaning thank you. Now, let's hear an example sentence. 昼飯おごってくれるの？あざーす。Can you treat me to lunch? Thanks. Okay, that's all for this lesson. またね